Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, award-winning gospel artist Busi Hadebe's husband Thapelo Thobeka has finally spoken out about the unfair treatment the singer was subjected to during the January 8th African National Congress, or ANC, celebration that was held in Murulong Stadium in the Northwest Province. According to news blogs which reported that the hit maker Obusi decided not to perform at the ANC event after she was made to wait for 8 hours before she takes to the stage. Now, explaining her decision to leave, Obusi said that the ANC official further threatened not to book her in future, including in government events, because she decided to leave without performing on Saturday. Responding to the incident that happened during the celebration, Thobeka said he stands by Busi on her decision not to perform on the day. In 2022, people decided to build a brand called Busi through the guidance ya Modimo. We worked hard and still do to put this brand to where it is today, with over 65 million YouTube views and over 70 million streams. A brand that even reached gold and multi-platinum in 4 years. Now, I don't care who you are, what office you hold, or whose office you work in. If you do anything to hurt, disrespect, or even cause harm to her, I take it personal and will stand for her in front of anyone, said Thobeka, who is a staunch ANC member. Thobeka said yesterday, which is Saturday, she called me in view of everyone and told me she is hurt and leaving. I fully supported her decision to leave, as I also witnessed everything that happened. No artist from the Northwest or Gauteng will go to KZN or Eastern Cape and do what I saw yesterday. I don't like to compare, but analytics and numbers are public. As to the threat, she was allegedly told she will never be booked. No brand is built through bookings. You build a brand and attract bookings. You don't even fight to be booked or wait for government booking. It's anybody's choice to book or not to book her. 98% of her bookings are non-government related. He further said position of power and authorities like a swinging pendulum. Be careful how you use it towards innocent souls who even knows nothing about politics. God can scratch it anytime, he said. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like this video. Do make sure that, of course, you do share it. Subscribe if you haven't yet done so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will be seeing you in the next video, and may the good Lord just continue blessing you all. Bye.